Okay, children. So in the previous class, we studied up to one word problem, and here, so remaining continuation. So here, there sometimes they will ask like 4 times of a number reduced by 5 equals to 19. So find the number. Carefully. So here, if 4 times of a number reduced by 5 equals to 19, then find the number. So first we have to divide this question, given question means first we have to carefully understand what is the given question, what is there. So if you read properly, see here, the 4 times of a number. So we don't know what is the number. So suppose I am taking x because particular number we don't know. If you take x, 4 times of a number, times means here we should do multiply, means multiplication. So 4 times means the given number we should multiply with 4. If 2 times means we should multiply with 2. 3 times if they will ask, we should multiply with 3. So times means multiplication. And reduced by 5. Reduced means a subtraction. Means we have to subtract 5 from the 4 times of a number. That gives 19. So what is the number? So same. So first we have to make equation. So to make equation, first we have to take let the number be x. Then 4 times of a number. So we should multiply with 4. 4 into x, 4x. Then the last condition is 4x reduced by 5 is equal to 90. So therefore, so from the 4x we have to subtract 5. So 4x minus 5, which gives 90. Now we got equation. So then generally already in the previous class we studied this, how to solve the problem. Then first constant we have to transpose to the right side. 4x is equal to 19 plus 5. So 4x is equal to 19 plus 5, 24. Then x is equal to the second 4 transpose to the right side. So 24 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 6 times. So x is equal to 6. Therefore, the number is 6. Then 4 times of a number means you should multiply with 4. Is equal to 4 into 6, 24. So from this, if you subtract 5, because reduced by 5, you will get 19. So we know 24 minus 5, 19. So next, one more problem. See here. Right, one problem I will write on the board. Right. So here, two equal sides of a triangle are each two equal sides of a triangle. So each 5 meters less than twice the third side. Less than twice the third side. And if the perimeter of triangle is, if the perimeter of triangle is 55 meters, then find the length of its sides. So we should find the length of its sides. So carefully, one second. Two equal sides of a triangle. Two equal sides means the given triangle is isosceles triangle. So each side 5 meters less than, again less means minus, twice the third side if the perimeter is 55. So here there is a triangle, it is isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal. These two sides 5 meters less than twice the third side. So in this, we don't know what is the third one. So this third side we don't know. So that's why I am taking x. After taking x, twice the third side. Already I told you, twice means we should multiply with 2. So let the third side be x. Then other two sides are, see, twice the third side. Third side is x, twice means 2x, and 5 meters less than means 2x minus 5. So other two sides are 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5. Right. So total 3 sides we got. Then, so what is given the second next condition? Perimeter of the triangle is 55. So means perimeter means we know the perimeter of triangle, the sum of all the sides means first AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 55. Then AB means 2x minus 5. Then BCx, CA also 2x minus 5, that is equal to 55. Then we should add like terms. 2x plus x, 3x plus 2x, 5x. minus 5, both are same integers with negative symbol. So we should add minus 5 minus 10, that is equal to 55. Then minus 10 transpose to the right side. 5x is equal to 55 plus 10. Then 5x is equal to 65. Then x is equal to 65 by 5. The answer 5 ones are 5 threes are. So x value is 13. Means the third side is equal to 13. Then other two sides 2 into 13 minus 5. 13 2s are 26 minus 5. So 21. So other two sides are 21 and 21. The third side is 13.